What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James, and today we're going to be showing you guys an acreage property here down in Fresno. We're here down in the south of Fresno. This property has over 4 acres, huge beautiful pool. Currently it's going for around $800,000, and we want to show it to you really quick. So right now let's do a 360 tour of the area. So this is the property right here, guys. Beautiful property. The acreage extend all the way toward the end, right? So if you look here, it looks like there's a fence right there. There's a fence line. It goes all the way to the end of that. And then over here, you'll see that all the way toward the side, it'll go all toward the end over there. So this is the side of the property, but you can kind of see how big this property is. Over 4 acres, guys. Okay, 4 acreage. And you know, when you're inspecting a house this big, right, and when you're purchasing a house this big, what you want to do is you want to, you know, have a longer inspection period. Typically, acreage property or farm property, 45 to 60 days inspection. All right, guys. So guys, if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Learn how we can help you save thousands and thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. Okay, so anyways, let's go ahead and tour you guys the inside of this house. So the first thing we want to do is we want to walk in, turn on the lights, right? Turn on some of the lights. Got the lights. Okay, so we turn on the lights. On the right side of the house, we have a nice little living area. It's carpeted, easily replaceable and fixable, nothing fancy. Right there we got the kitchen and the dining area. And over here on the left side we have the bedrooms. Things we noticed: popcorn ceiling, right? We have some nice cabinets and all that good stuff too. But let's go ahead and go here first, and then we'll check out the bedrooms. So here's the kitchen. Everything seems like it's in well-kept condition. These are dated appliances and whatnot, but it still look pretty good. Okay, look like everything is in well working order. Got the pantry area, new flooring, updated cabinets. Here's the washer and dryer room right here, right, which leads to the backyard. But let's go ahead and tour you guys the this section of the house. But before that, let me close that door real quick. Okay, we got a bedroom right here. Good sized bedroom. Right? Really good sized bedroom. And then we have linen closet. And then we have this, another bedroom right here. Pretty good size also as well. And again, it's a popcorn ceiling. So we got closet. Okay. Turn off the lights. And then over here we got the bathroom, double sink, good mirror. We got that tiny little tub. Nice frosted window. The bathroom doesn't have popcorn ceiling, but it does have trimming, right? It does have that crown molding. Here's the master right here, closet. Here's the master bedroom. Turn that thing off. And then right behind me, you see the bathroom slash door, right? So this is the laundry room. So here's the master bathroom. All right. So we do have a crack right there, but it's not anything major, right? Bathroom looks clean. Okay, we got the toilet right there, sink, and then we got this door right here. Let's see what the door's like. Just a little nice little closet. So guys, if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, let's go check out the backyard. Let's go check out the backyard. So Here's the backyard. Of course, they just built a little fence within the fence. So if you see back there, see, it's a 4-acre, so the house run pretty deep all the way toward the end. It's kind of hard to see, but you see that brown fence line? Hold on, I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Okay, now that I sneeze and everything, I just need to put my sunglasses on. So beautiful pool right there. We got the nice huge sago plant right there. A brick fence over there, and yeah, I mean, it's a fence within a fence, and you can kind of see like where the major fence line is, right? So it's right there. You can see it goes all the way toward the end, and then it wrapped around all the way toward that neighbor fence line, right? And you can kind of see based off of like how the grass is cut and what the property line looks like, right? So it's 4 acres, it's super spacious and huge. After this, I'm going to show you guys the garage. Okay, it's a 2-car garage, and yeah, I mean, it's super nice. So let's keep touring for you guys. So it goes all the way toward the end. Looks like the property line is right there, guys. So that's the property line. If you guys want more information about this acreage property, let me know. We'll definitely help you guys explore your options and all that good stuff. But it goes all the way to the end. And we have some land over here on this side too, so it's pretty spacious. All right. So let's go ahead and show you guys the exterior first. So exterior, nice plants. We got some fig plants right there. Exterior look like it's in well-kept condition. The house look like it's been well kept. We got the AC unit right there, up in the roof. Look like they have just regular roofing, composite roofing. Pretty good condition, looks like. I don't see any like bubbles or any wear and tear or anything. Let me double check. And the stuccos on the exterior look like it's in well-kept condition also as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and go show you guys the garage. So this door, oh, I can open that, but the garage is right here. So the garage right here. We got shelves, lift master, and then that's it. All right, that's pretty much it. Let's lock it up. All right, let's lock it up. The roof for these garages is not finished, but the siding is, which is really good. So I'm assuming that this door right here is for storage and whatnot. I left the key in the front, but yeah, I mean, window look like it's updated. We got the ceiling fan out there. Let's go ahead and lock up the house and end this video real quick. Double check the water heating system. Looks super clean. Looks like it's, you know, in still well kept condition, right? They service this quite often, so looks like it. All right guys, that's pretty much it for the tour. Currently this is the it's an acreage property down here in Fresno. If you're looking for acreage property, let us know. We'd love to help you guys out. Anyways, we're just gonna turn off all the lights. Anyways, guys, if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Learn how we can help you save thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. This is James with James and Maurice on Real Estate. We're going to be signing out. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love.